Good morning. We, some students of Class 9B, are here with the reviews of the book written by the great author J.K. Rowling. Giovanni Rowling is better known by her pen name J.K. Rowling. She is a British writer and philanthropist. She is best known for writing the Harry Potter fantasy series, which has won multiple awards and sold more than 500 million copies, becoming the best book series ever sold. She writes crime series under her pen name Robert Galbraith. The types of stories that she writes are fantasy, young adult fiction, tragic comedy, crime fiction, and so on. She has wrote about 32 books. Her famous books are Harry Potter series and Coromon Strike series. So now here comes our group with the reviews of the book written by the great author J.K. Rowling.
My name is Devi Krishna. I am going to review the book name is Harry Potter, written by J.K. Rowling. Harry Potter, a history of magic is an real experiment of real. Cite artifacts from the development of J.K. Rowling financial Harry Potter series. The experiment of original opened to the British Library in 2017 as a part of celebration from the 20th anniversary of the publication or the financial state. It is also available online through the George Art Culture plate from the website at the New Society being the October 2018 being the two publication Harry Potter, A History of Magic and Harry Potter of Journey with the BBC History Magic is an reactive document with the experiment, the exhibition. Thank you.
I am Arthra are going to review the book named The Silkworm by Robert Galbraith. It is the unputdownable, jaw-dropping story that I've ever read. The Silkworm is a 2014 crime fiction novel by J.K. Rowling published under her pseudonym Robert Galbraith. It is the second novel of Coromon Strike series, followed by The Carrier of Evil in 2015 and Little White in 2018 and The Troubled Blood in 2020. Some of the main characters of this story are Robin Elacourt, Owen Queen, Lenora Queen, Catherine Kent, Pippa Medigal, Elizabeth Tassel, and so on. If you have a hobby of reading or if you enjoy reading the books, this is a surely recommended book for you. Thank you.
I'm Angel. I'm going to review the book Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, written by J.K. Rowling. One of my favorite books is Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone by J.K. Rowling. It is a story about Harry Potter and often brought up by his aunt and uncle because his parents were killed when he was a baby. Harry is unloved by his uncle and aunt, but everything changes when he is invited to join the Hogwarts School of Witchcraft and Wizardry, and he finds out he is a wizard. At Hogwarts, Harry realizes he is special and his adventure begins when he and his new friends, Ron and Hermione, attempt to unravel the mystery of Philosopher's Stone. I can read this book over and over again, from the very beginning until the end. There is never a dull moment, whether it is battling with trolls, a three-headed dog, or Harry facing Lord Voldemort. I would definitely recommend this book because it keeps you reading without even wanting to put the book down. By the end of the book, you will come to love the characters and want to read more. You wouldn't be disappointed because the second book in the series, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, is just as great. If you haven't read any of Harry Potter's book, you are missing out one of the best series ever. Thank you.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Anjana Gupta. Now I am reviewing the book The Cuckoo Calling by J.K. Rowling. Novel featuring a quirky disabled military veteran, his clever secretary, a rich troubled beauty who may have been murdered but who just as likely may have been plummeted to her death in a suicidal swoon, and an attendant sworn of hypocritical posture and annoying hanger on a rich involving chronicle of contemporary celebrity culture and nifty woodnut to boot. If Charlotte Dickens and Agatha Christie had briefly shaked up their love child might very well have been J.K. Rowling. Except the J.K. Rowling, of course, does not exist. It is a presume cooked up by Rowling, one of the most successful author in history, and if she had her way, we would do not that and she would to be free to write more mysterious under the name J.K. Rowling. The burden of her success as the creator of the Harry Potter books and the worldwide phenomena theory of to Rowling displeasure, her secret recently was leaked by the Gaby spouse of an employee of London, the cuckoo calling from non-selling obscurity into global best-seller. Thank you.
Maybe I'm going to review the book named Troubled Blood, written by Robert Galbraith. Troubled Blood by Robert Galbraith. J.K. Rowling, pseudonym, is the fifth book in the detective series about Cormoran Strike and Robin Elacote. The book has been accused of being blatantly transphobic, and the review should first clarify that there is no trans murderer in this book. The character mentioned simply dresses as a woman for some murders, and one could argue that he is preying on how women feel safer with women and then with men. In this book, Cormoran and Robin take on a cold case. While Cormoran is visiting family in Cornwall, a woman asks him for help finding her mother, who disappeared in 1974. The long 900 plus page book shows them unraveling the old case while working on other cases over time. The case has a lot of twists and fascinating suspects. Some interesting features in the book were the inclusion of the occult with tarot cards, satanism, astrology, and the hints left by the original detective of the investigation while he was on the edge of a mental breakdown. Aside from the main mystery, the book also reveals a lot about Cormoran and Robin's lives, and we see them move on from past relationship and come to start accepting what they mean to each other. The book also has interesting characters, both new and old, that add to the story, though some might find it a bit stretched. It is the longest book in the series. Any of the series will be happy for for the long read, and mystery fans will love the twisty plot. J.K. Rowling engaging duo return for a cold case full of misdirection and simmering emotional tension, writes Claire Clark for The Guardian. Rowling's greatest novelistic gifts are her ability to spin wild, intricate plots. Witness the astrological elements of this latest book and create colorful, highly individual characters who come instantly alive on the page, praises Bill Sheehan from the Washington Post. Thank you.
Adra is going to review the book named Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, written by J.K. Rowling. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets is a fantasy novel written by British author J.K. Rowling, and it's the second novel in the Harry Potter series. The main characters in the story is Harry Potter, Hermione Granger, and Ron Weasley. This story is about the adventures of the young wizard Harry Potter and his friends at Hogwarts. The main theme of the story is the idea of intolerance within a community is highly important in Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. The main plot of the plot of the novel explores this idea through Salazar Slytherin's intention to wipe out mudbloods and wizards with non-magical intentions from Hogwarts. With non-magical ancestors from Hogwarts, it is a fantastic story full of adventures and creation. Thank you.
Now we are going to review a book named Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Gingerland, written by J.K. Rowling. The Harry Potter Fantastic Beasts: The Crimes of Gingerland, J.K. Rowling's entire literacy and cinematic empire, is based on a foundation of mathematic battles between good or evil. Fantastic Beasts: Where to Find Them from 2016 and now it is followed up. Harry Potter is the director of this film as well. This story is about too much, resulting in the story that is more of a slog than a thrill and holiday timed blockbuster, which may exactly be the joyful entertainment families are looking for this time of year. I sometimes have to make effort to focus on the positives. This time he has his work cut out for him more than ever. Thank you.
I am Devlakshmi. I am going to review the book named Lethal White, written by J.K. Rowling. Lethal White is the fourth book in Cormoran Strikes series. I seen a kid killed. He strangled it up by the horse. When Billy, a troubled young man, comes to Private Eye Cormoran Strike's office to ask for his help investigating a crime he thinks he witnessed as a child, Strike is left deeply unsettled while Billy is obviously mentally distressed and cannot remember many concrete details, but there is something sincere about him and his story. But before Strike can question him further, Billy bolts from his office in a panic. Trying to get to the bottom of Billy's story, Strike and Robin Ellacott, once his assistant and now a partner in the agency, set off on a twisting trail that leads them through the back streets of London into a secretive inner sanctum within Parliament and to a beautiful but sinister manor house deep in the countryside. And during the labyrinthine investigation, Strike's own life is far from straightforward. His newfound fame as a private eye means he can no longer operate behind the scenes as he once did. Plus, his relationship with his former assistant is more fraught than it ever has been. Robin is now invaluable to Strike in the business, but their personal relationship is much trickier than that. Thank you.
My name is Devika S. Babu and I am going to review the book named Fantastic Beasts written by J.K. Rowling. It is often referred to as simply Fantastic Beasts. It is a 2001 guidebook written by the British author J.K. Rowling about the magical creatures in Harry Potter universe. The original version illustrated by the author herself, proposed to the Harry Potter's copy of the textbook of same name mentioned in Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, the first novel of Harry Potter series. It includes several notes inside it, supposedly by Harry detailing their own experience with some of the beasts described and including inside jokes relating to the original series. Thank you.
I am Devinandana V.S. going to review the book named Harry Potter and Deathly Hallows, written by J.K. Rowling. The theme of surpassing death began in very book of the series and is fully realized in the Deathly Hallows. Harry grapples with his immediate death after finding out that he must die in order to destroy Voldemort. It would all be gone, or at least he would be gone from it. And this book is released on 21st July 2007. She is the author from British, and this is the seventh and final novel of the Harry Potter. Thank you.
Urban West Country town called Packford and begins with the death of the beloved parish councillor Barry Fairbrother. The major themes in the novel are class, politics and social issues. The Casual Vacancy is no masterpiece, but it is not bad at all. Workmanlike, intelligent and often funny. The fanbase may find it a bit sour as it lacks the Harry Potter books' warmth and charm. All the characters are fairly horrible or suicidally miserable or death. But the words you could say about it really doesn't deserve any media frenzy surrounding it. Thank you.